What would you do if your car broke down tomorrow, or if you lost your job next week? If your stomach just dropped a little, that's exactly why you need an emergency fund. And today, I'm going to show you how to build one fast, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Money Made Simple. An emergency fund is simply money set aside for the unexpected. A broken car, a medical bill, a job loss. It's not for vacations or new shoes. It's there so that when life throws a curveball, you're not scrambling or going into debt to handle it. Start with one goal, $1,000. That's your starter emergency fund, and it covers most small disasters. Once you hit that, work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's your full safety net. It sounds like a lot, but you don't need it overnight. You need it eventually. Here's how to actually get there. First, start small. Just $10 to $20 a week adds up faster than you think. Second, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account so you're not relying on willpower. Third, sell what you don't use. Old clothes, gadgets, furniture, turn clutter into cash and drop it straight into your fund. Fourth, cut one small expense. Cancel one subscription or skip one takeout order a week and redirect that money instead. Keep this money in a separate savings account, not invested, not touched. The goal isn't growth, the goal is access. You want it boring, safe, and ready when you need it. This fund is what stands between you and debt when life gets messy. It's peace of mind you can actually feel. Your challenge: start your emergency fund this week with just $10. That's it. Just begin. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.